Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock and hide WhatsApp chats. So, when you open your WhatsApp and you want to lock or hide your chats right here, actually if you tap this profile name at the top, you can find that lock button right here. So, you can actually lock a specific chat. So, all you're going to do is just to disappearing this message right here. But if you want to lock your whole WhatsApp, all you're gonna do is tap that three dots at the top right corner and then go to settings. Here on settings, I want you to go to privacy. Then here on privacy, you just want to go scroll down and find this fingerprint lock. And all you need to do is just lock this fingerprint, toggle on to lock this fingerprint. So you just turn on and confirm your fingerprint if you have fingerprints on your phone, and you can automatically lock this one. But for this sample, I will just stop this immediately, and I want to turn off the show content in notification so it will hide all my message here on chat. So once you've done that, you will find if we try to reopen your WhatsApp, you will find this one. So no one can actually open your WhatsApp unless you touch the fingerprint sensor. So once you touch that, it will automatically open your WhatsApp. Then if you want to unlock this fingerprint, all you need to do is go to privacy, then find that fingerprint lock, and just toggle off this one. So that's how you basically lock and hide your WhatsApp chat. So if you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.